First, we're gonna make a slip knot and pull it through the hairband. Make the knot a little tighter and pull through. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Then we're gonna chain 2 and start working double crochets in the hairband. We're gonna make double crochets all the way around. Basically, we're gonna put as many double crochets as we possibly can, so when this is stretched, we won't see the hairband through the yarn. Also, we want the stitch count to be an even number to prepare for the next round. So once we have that, slip stitch in the first double crochet. Not this chain 2, but this double crochet. Next round, chain 3, and this counts as the first double crochet. Then chain 1 more. In the same double crochet, work a double crochet. Then chain 1. The next double crochet gets 1 double crochet. Chain 1. The next stitch gets 2 double crochets, but remember to chain 1 after every double crochet. Then work the second double crochet in the same stitch. Chain 1. Next stitch, 1 double crochet. Chain 1. Next one, 2 double crochets. So for this round, we alternate between putting 2 double crochets in the next stitch and 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and we also chain 1 after every double crochet. After working 1 double crochet in the last stitch, don't forget to chain 1 and slip stitch in the chain 3. There should be a chain 1 between these double crochets. Last round, chain 1 and put a single crochet in the next space. Chain 3, 1 single crochet in the next space again. Chain 3, 1 single in the next space. Continue doing this. Finish the single crochet in the last space. Chain 3 and then slip stitch in the very first single crochet that we did. Chain 1 to secure. Cut the yarn and weave in the ends.